Hey everyone, this is Mr. McKinney with your 1 through 10 on phenomenon and systems. So a phenomenon is any observable event that happens in the world. Most of the time that's what scientists and that's what you are studying in science. Some examples might be lightning, hurricanes, tornadoes, even the sun. The fact that the sun, we see it come up in the morning and goes away at night. We could look at what the sun is made of, which is called plasma. So if we wanted to study the sun, we would think of it as a system. Now a system is anything that has interrelated parts. So one thing that the sun is made of is called plasma. So I'm going to use, since I don't have the sun right here, I'm going to use something else that involves plasma. So this right here is a plasma bulb, right? I can turn it on and you'll notice a few things about it, that it kind of glows. All right, so if we were to study this as a system, what would we want to look at? We'd want to look at a few things. We'd want to look at first the parts, right? There's a bulb here. It's plugged into, there's a switch. It's plugged into an electrical outlet, right? We'd want to look at both the inputs and the outputs. What has to go into it? Well, what goes in is electricity. That's why we have it plugged into an electric outlet, right? There's some other parts that we haven't talked about, like the middle and whatnot. And what are the outputs? The outputs is this plasma that's sort of like electricity, but a little bit different. And hopefully you can see it light up. It's attracted to my fingers when I touch it there. And I can feel a little tingle, almost like a little bit of electricity there. The last thing that we would want to look at is what are the boundaries, right? The boundaries for this system. Obviously, if I put my hand out here, there's no electric or plasma line that comes up here, okay? So the boundary would be the bulb that it stays in, except when I touch it, then the boundary becomes me because I can feel it, all right? So that is what a system involves. That's how you break a system down. So in conclusion, all phenomenon can be viewed as a system. And if you view phenomenon as a system, you can break it down into those things. And then if there's things we don't understand, you can ask questions about it and pursue your investigation. So I hope that helps clarify a little bit about phenomenon and systems. Until next time, stay strong and science on.